Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe below. Plans are kind of up in the air. I was planning on working on the BMW, but I have to help out with a customer's Jeep. I have to weld a bracket onto the fender, and then we have to get the green truck back together, the 1500. That's the priority right now. So I'm gonna just help put that back together. And if I have time, I need to put calipers and finish the e-brake on the BMW. Yeah, I don't know if I will get that done today or this weekend, but we will see. And then I just came to visit my Subaru because I miss her. So sad. But it's okay. I have cool things in store for this car. It's just gonna be a matter of time till I get everything situated. Didn't expect to be planning to spend this level of money on this car so soon. I knew it was coming, but I didn't expect it right now with my truck project going on and the RX-7 going on, and everything's just falling together all at once. So I'm trying to just balance everything. But yeah, hopefully I will get those calipers at least off today or tomorrow, because I bought calipers. The guy was like, oh, they're 50 bucks. Love D&M, not bashing them at all. But they were like, oh yeah, the calipers are 50 bucks. I should have known that there was a core charge on them. That's my fault for not asking up front what the core charge was. But funny thing is, it's a BMW, so the core charge is 75 bucks. So the core charge is actually more expensive than the calipers themselves, which is pretty funny. So I just have like over $140 tied up in core charges right now. I am trying to get those at least off the car so I can get the cores back, get my $140+ back. But yeah, we'll see how things go today and this weekend. Hopefully I kind of get to work on that. I'm gonna be basically cutting the two rear brake lines. I have 2 T's to, put sideways on those, and then take the third outlet, run that up to the new master cylinder on the drift brake, or the hydro brake, whatever you want to call it. And then I have another T to tie those 2 lines together up by the master and bring a single line up into the master cylinder. So I have to get that done. I also have to get the exhaust manifolds off and start doing the custom exhaust that I'm gonna do. I have a really cool plan for that. Not gonna tell you guys what I'm doing with everything. I'm gonna make you watch. Unless you talk to me on Facebook, then I've probably told you my plans. But if you're interested in finding out, hit me up on Facebook or Instagram or whatever. I try to talk to everybody that hits me up. So anyways, yeah. What else do I have going on? I think that's about it. I tore apart my Duramax motor. That's going to be in a video soon. But yeah, for now, this cab back here needs to go onto the green frame. So that's priority number 1 today, after getting this customer's Jeep fixed up. I got to weld a bracket onto it. And yeah, I think that's it. Let's go get started. So you can see, oh, you guys can't really see, but this is the fender. It's supposed to go under this washer through this bolt. This bolt's supposed to go through it, but I have to reattach it somehow. This hole right here is like, pretty much, you can see it's like almost rotted out. So I don't know if we're going to be attaching it to that with the bolt, because that's just going to rot back out. Got the battery disconnected. So this is part of the problem. There is no bracket here. It's rotted off of the car. You can see up here it still has the bracket, but there is nothing down here. Empty. This thing's all cleaned up, ready to go. Now I just gotta get welding. Just gonna clean this all up now. That's all right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe below if you haven't already. And see you guys next episode.